we are just showcasing our readiness as a city because we are having a program that is called Festive Season Program. Today we are launching it. We have launched it with style, making sure that our communities are aware. We have worked, and right now every machinery is here just to showcase to the public. I've promised to the public that whatever I'm going to be doing, I'll make sure that township and rural areas are on board. Today we are launching this program here in Tongat, Hambanathi, to make sure that the entire public of eThekwini knows that we are ready with the police personnel, we are ready with disaster personnel, we are ready with fire personnel, we are ready with all our essential services to make sure that whatever happens within festive season, everyone is happy.